How to start a faceless YouTube channel that makes money. 2026 tutorial. A complete guide for beginners on faceless channels. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing YouTube notifications rolling in. Comments, subscribers, revenue, all from a channel where nobody even knows what you look like. No camera, no ring light, no awkward intros, just content that works. In 2026, faceless YouTube channels aren't just a trend, they're a system. And thanks to AI, that system is easier, faster, and more scalable than ever before. Behind the scenes, there are channels generating thousands every single month with nothing but automated voiceovers, simple visuals, and calculated keyword targeting. Yet the majority of beginners never see results. Not because the platform is saturated, but because they jump in without a clear game plan. So don't click away. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear launch plan. And if you move fast, you could realistically aim to earn your first $100 within weeks. Let's build this step by step. First, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? It's content where you never appear on camera. That's it. No vlogging, no face reveals. Instead, you use voiceovers, text animation, stock footage, gameplay clips, screen recordings, AI visuals, or simple motion graphics. Think about channels like Daily Dose of Internet, horror narration pages, finance explainers, or motivational compilations. Millions of views, zero faces. And here's why 2026 is the perfect time. AI tools have dramatically lowered the barrier to entry. You no longer need editing experience, a professional mic, or a production team. You need a system. If that excites you, stay with me, because the first step determines everything. Step 1 is choosing the right niche. This is where most beginners sabotage themselves. They either go too broad, like fitness or gaming, and drown in competition, or they choose something they're not willing to produce consistently. The sweet spot? Evergreen topics with consistent search demand and monetization potential. Think productivity, personal finance, scary stories, tech tutorials, AI tools, relationship advice, self-improvement, or health tips. These niches never die. But here's the key: niche down. Don't just make fitness content, make 10-minute desk workouts for remote workers. Don't make tech reviews, make budget AI tools for students. Specificity wins. Before you move on, pause and think, what problem can you solve repeatedly? Now here's how to validate your idea. Go to YouTube and type your niche into the search bar. Look at the autocomplete suggestions. Those are real searches. Then check Google Trends to confirm consistent demand. You can also use free versions of TubeBuddy or vidIQ to estimate keyword competition. Ideally, you want keywords with decent search volume, but medium or low competition. Another powerful strategy? Study channels between 10,000 and 100,000 subscribers. They're big enough to prove the niche works, but small enough to compete with. Look at their most popular videos. What titles are repeating? What topics are getting traction? Reverse engineer success. And once you've chosen your niche, commit. Consistency beats constant switching. Ready to create? Good, because this is where it gets exciting. Let's talk about content creation without showing your face. Start with scripting. You don't need to be a professional writer. Use AI strategically. Open ChatGPT and prompt it with something specific like, write a 10-minute engaging YouTube script about 5 true scary Reddit stories. Include hooks every 2 minutes and a strong opening. Or create a high-retention script about 7 AI tools students should use in 2026. The more detailed your prompt, the better the output. But don't just copy and paste blindly. Edit it. Add personality, adjust tone. AI should assist you, not replace you. This small human touch increases retention and avoids generic content. If this tip alone saves you hours, imagine what the next steps will do. Next comes voiceover. If you're uncomfortable using your voice, AI voice generators in 2026 sound incredibly natural. Tools like 11 Labs and similar platforms allow you to generate realistic narration in minutes. Upload your script, select a voice, adjust pacing, and download. If you're on a tight budget, even free text-to-speech tools can work while you're testing. Over time, upgrading your audio quality improves credibility and watch time. Remember, on faceless channels, voice is your personality. Don't rush this step. A smooth, clear voice increases retention more than flashy visuals. Now, let's build visuals. This is where beginners overthink. You don't need cinematic footage. You need relevant, engaging visuals that match your narration. For stock footage, use platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, or Unsplash. For editing, CapCut remains one of the best free tools available. Import your voiceover, layer stock clips over it, add simple text overlays, subtle zoom effects, and background music from YouTube's audio library. Keep visuals changing every 4 to 8 seconds to maintain engagement. You can also use Canva's AI features to create simple animations or thumbnail elements. If you want more automation, some AI video tools allow you to generate entire videos from prompts, but always review and tweak the output. Quality control is your advantage. Here's a simple workflow you can follow. Day 1. Script 3 to 5 videos. Day 2. Generate voiceovers. Day 3. Edit and schedule uploads. Batch creation prevents burnout and keeps you consistent. Consistency is not optional. It's the algorithm's favorite word. Speaking of algorithms, let's unlock growth. YouTube SEO is the engine behind Faceless channels. Since viewers aren't subscribing for your personality, your content must rank in search and get suggested. Start with strong titles. Instead of Scary Stories compilation, write 5 true scary stories that will keep you awake tonight. Instead of AI tools, write 7 AI tools students are using to get ahead in 2026. Curiosity plus clarity equals clicks. Your first 100 characters in the description should include your primary keyword naturally. Add timestamps, relevant links, and a call to action. If you're getting value so far, imagine applying this strategically to every upload. Thumbnails deserve serious attention. Bright contrast, bold readable text, and emotional triggers work best. Avoid clutter. One focal point, one strong phrase. YouTube even allows A/B testing thumbnails. Use it! If your click-through rate is below 5%, adjust. Titles and thumbnails are packaging. Even the best content fails with weak packaging. And here's a growth accelerator. YouTube Shorts. Take 30 to 60-second highlights from your long-form videos and post them as shorts with a call to action directing viewers to the full video. Shorts can dramatically boost exposure. Upload consistently, ideally 2 to 3 times per week when starting. End screens should link to related videos to increase session time. The goal isn't just views, it's watch time. Analyze your retention graph. If viewers drop off in the first 30 seconds, your hook isn't strong enough. Start with a bold promise, a shocking fact, or a compelling question. Hook first, introduce later. This alone separates top channels from struggling ones. Now, let's talk about money, because that's why you're here. The first milestone is joining the YouTube Partner Program. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or Shorts equivalent. In strong niches, ad revenue averages between $3 and $5 per 1,000 views, sometimes much higher in finance or tech. But smart creators don't rely only on ads. Diversification multiplies income. Affiliate marketing is powerful. If you run a tech channel, recommend software tools with affiliate links. If you run a book summary or horror channel, link relevant books. Commissions range from 5% to 30%, depending on the platform. Add these links naturally in descriptions and pinned comments. Once you grow to 10,000 subscribers, brands may approach you for sponsorships. Even small channels can secure $100 to $500 per integration, depending on niche and engagement. You can also create digital products. Simple guides, Notion templates, prompt packs, or mini courses related to your niche. Platforms like Gumroad or similar services make this easy. Memberships and Patreon offer recurring income if you provide bonus content. Merchandise works if you build a strong theme or catchphrase. The goal is stacking revenue streams so your income doesn't depend on one source. Before you launch, here's your rapid action checklist. Day 1. Finalize niche and validate demand. Day 2. Script your first 3 videos. Day 3. Produce and edit. Week 1. Upload consistently and optimize SEO. Week 2 onward. Analyze retention, adjust hooks, refine thumbnails. Improve 1% every upload. Momentum compounds. One final warning. Avoid copyright violations. Use royalty-free assets. Credit properly when required. Don't reuse content without transformation. In 2026, AI detection and content duplication flags are stronger. Add your perspective, add your structure, add value. Now here's the real question. Are you going to keep watching or start executing? Information means nothing without action. If you commit today, your channel could be live within 48 hours. Stay consistent for 90 days, and you'll already be ahead of most people who quit early. You now have the 2026 blueprint. No camera, no expensive gear, just strategy and AI. Write down your niche and your first video title and start. If this helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Drop your niche idea in the comments. I want to see what you're building. And in the next video, we're diving into 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Creative, practical strategies to turn AI into real income streams. If you're serious about making money with AI in 2026, you don't want to miss that.